In today's class, we are going to use a plus b whole square equals to a square minus this one. A plus b means there will be plus, okay, minus there will be minus only. A plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? And another one, what you told there, a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. There is only one difference there, minus plus 1. In plus 1 there is plus 2ab, in minus there will be minus 2ab, okay?
Okay, sir.
And here look here, I want to show you once again here, just I told you, a minus b and a plus b, there will look here, a plus b whole square equals to what you told? Can you tell again?
A square
A
plus
square plus
2ab
2ab
plus b
plus
square.
b square.
Good. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, children. And in minus, what will be changed? There's change only. There will be change of this sign only. Okay, this. And it will be here a minus here. A minus b whole square equals what you wrote there?
A square minus
Square
Yeah,
minus
a
2ab
2
plus
square
b square.
plus
minus
b.
2ab plus b square. Okay. That means when we multiply a minus b with a minus b, then you get this formula. When you multiply a plus b with a plus b, then you will get this formula. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Now look here, I am going to show you one question how to factorize this, right? See here, in this factorization, look, first what you have to do here, right? In this exercise, first one can be expressed in square and last one also can be expressed in square. First can be expressed in square, look like this, look here. First of all, we have to write in bracket p square, okay? And last one, what is there? Q whole square.
Holy square.
Okay, children. Then middle we have to make that 2ab. 2a means what is there? P. In place of a there is P. Okay. In place of Q, in place of B there is what there? Q. Yes, Nebisa, what have you told Nanu?
So I was telling 2 into Q.
Yeah. First one we have to write a square. Okay, in formula there was a, no, that's why. This is in what is our first term here? P square, that's why I write a P and whole square. And last one, what is there? Q, then write Q in bracket, then do whole square. And middle one you have to make the 2ab. 2ab means the 2, a means this first bracket one, and b means this one second bracket. Second bracket, what is the last one?
Q.
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 Yes. Then when we multiply this 2pq, when you multiply this 2pq, it must come this middle term of this question. Does it come?
Yes, sir.
Then it is the formula of which one? It is the formula of
A plus
a plus b whole square.
B
Good.
A plus b
Yeah,
whole
what is in
square.
place of a there? What is in place of a here?
P square.
P plus
P.
P
P.
square.
And what is in place of Q there?
Q.
Q.
What is in place of B there? In place of B there is Q. Okay. And P plus Q whole square means what is there? How many factor there? P plus Q whole square means P plus Q one factor. Another also P plus
P
Q.
plus Q.
There are there are two P plus Q. Okay. Okay, children.
okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then according into this one, look here. This one I have just shown. And similarly, there are other question also. Question number 2, what will you do? Look here. Do you understand this 2, 3, 4, how to do? If you have difficulties, please tell me. I will solve you here one question more. Same as this. Okay, I have shown one
Can
example.
we solve 3 questions? Question number 3.
Question number 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, look here. What is first here?
M square.
Yes, m square. Make it square. Okay, m whole square. Put in bracket. And what is last one?
9n square.
9n square.
9n means that is the square of what?
3.
Cn. Okay. And middle one we have to make which one there? Plus 2ab. 2 comes from formula. And what is a there?
am.
A is m. What is b? What is b there?
3n.
N.
B is
N.
B is Cn.
N.
B is this last one bracket, okay? B is Cn there. This is the formula of which one till now? A plus B. B means there Cn whole square, right?
N.
And m plus Cn whole square means how many factors became there now? One factor is 1 plus Cn. And another factor also what is there?
3n. Another.
And the factor also 1
M
plus
plus
Cn.
3n.
Understood, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Should I proceed to the next?
Okay, sir.
Is there other question any difficult? Is there any other difficult?
No, sir.
Okay. Now I am going to show you the next one. Look at it is also solved by same way. X power 4. X power 4, how to write in square?
X is square bracket square.
Yes, good. X square in bracket and whole square. Very good, Navy sir. Good. And what is B there?
1.
1. Very good. Now this is in which formula? I have shown you at the right side, look there.
A plus
A square plus
A square plus 2ab plus b square. Good. Now it is in the, look here, is a plus b whole square now. A plus b whole square. A means x square, b means 1. Then it means there are two factors of this one, okay? X square plus 1, x square plus 1. Are you clear, Eugene? And same way you have to do this question number 6, 7, 8.
Can we do this again? Sir, can we do this question again?
Okay, look there once again. What is a there? In place of a, what is there?
X to the power 4.
X to the power 4 means how to write in square? X square against square because power and this power only multiplied. This is 4. And what is in place of b there? B means 1 square. Okay, children? And now
Okay,
a plus b whole square means a
sir,
means
how
x square
can
b.
it 1 square?
Look here, 1 square means 1 into 1 means 1. 1 1 the 1. Okay. Now square means I told you have to write this 2 times. It's 2 factors. Okay, the x square plus 1, x square plus 1. Clear, Prajul?
Yes, sir, clear.
Next one, look, 6 number, 7 number, 8 number, these all are, you have to solve by same. But if there is common at first, you have to take common. Okay, children? Tell, which one you feel difficult here? I will solve one more question only. 6, 7, 8. Which one you feel difficult here?
Sir,
The
VI.
common is 6.
Yes, first of all I told, if there is common, we have to take common first. In question number 6, there is common. A square is common there. First take common A square. Which one question tell you according to your choice? I will solve.
Sir, 6 number.
6 number.
Seven.
6 number is,
Nine.
look at A square common. Then here will be what here? A square. What is left? 10A
10.
plus 25. A square gone common. It means what now? A square right same. This is in formula. Which formula do you know? This is A square. What is B there?
25.
B is 5 only. 25 means 5 square. And now middle we have to make 2AB. 2 into A. A means A only here. And what is B there, Eugene? What is in place of B there? B means 5 there. Now we have right here A square right same. Then this is in which formula, can you tell children? A plus B whole square means A square. Look at A square means what is there? Please tell here A square means here A only there. Look here. A should not be A square here. What is in place of A there? Can you tell children?
A.
A.
Yes, in place of A there is A only. Okay. In place of A only. But what is in place of B?
5.
5. Good. Now what are its factor? Can you tell? A square is one factor. Other two factor is where? A plus 5. A plus 5 into A plus 5. Good. A plus 5, A plus 5. These are the factors of this question. Are you writing, Eugene? Other question also you solve yourself, okay?
Okay, sir.
Now I am proceeding to the next one. Look here, children. This is 10 number. What is in how to convert this into A square? Prajwal, can you tell how to change into A square?
Sir, this
2AB whole square. Because 2 square means 4. And how to change into B square? B square means that 3C whole square. And middle we have to write that 2AB. Middle we have to write 2AB. A means what is the first bracket? 2AB. B means there 3C. And we have to check by multiplying this, okay? Does this multiplication give 12ABC or not? Check it.
yes, sir. 12 ABC.
It gives. That means it is in which formula? It is in which formula?
Sir. A minus B whole square.
Good. A minus B whole square. You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. This is in A minus B whole square formula. Then it will be A means 2AB and B means what is there? 3C. 2AB minus 3C, 2AB minus 3C. These are the two factors of this question. Are you clear, Eugene? Look,
Yes, sir.
this 11, 12 and 13, Which one question I should help you? Okay. Tell please. Is there any question to help you? Or you can do yourself? Prajol,
Yes, sir.
any question?
No, sir.
You can do yourself like this. Should I show you one more example by solving? Look, 11, 12 number now. This 11, 12 one I am solving here 12 only. What will be this x square y square from this one whole square? This look here x square y. X square y
X square whole
y whole
square.
square. Okay. And what is minus sign and what is last one? How to write b square there? 7z whole square, right?
7z whole square.
Now middle one, how to make 2ab? 2a, what is a there?
2
X square y
X
whole
square
square.
y into what is b there? 7z.
into 7.
Let's multiply. Does this give this multiply? Does this give this value or not? Look, check. Does it give or not? 2 7s are 14. X square yz. Yes, it gives. Now it is the square. It is the formula. Which one can you tell?
A minus b whole square formula.
Good. Good. This is 7z whole square one. Okay. X square y minus 7z whole square. It means how many factors are there? Two factor. One factor is x square y minus 7z. This one, okay. And another factor also there is x square y minus 7z. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Can I proceed to the next one?
No, sir.
Waiting some time for your this. Okay. Shell number one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, children. Now look here. I want to show you the next one. This is question number 2. Look here. Here also we are using the same formula, but you tell before using the formula what is in place of A here. A means here we have to take these two
Sir,
terms.
A minus b whole square.
A minus B is in A and C is in B. Then look at 2AB at the middle. Middle is 2AB. Then this is in which formula? Like
A
this we have
plus
tried.
B whole square.
Yes, very good, Navisa. A plus B whole square. A minus B whole square, write the first and plus 2A minus B into C plus C square. And it is the formula of A plus B whole square. A means what is there? A means A minus B and B means
A minus B.
Then we have to write this two the same factor. Okay, these are the two same factors. Are you clear, children? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Now look at here also. What is in place of A here, children? Two number.
2x plus y.
Yes, 2x plus y. What is in place of B?
5
5.
square.
You are absolutely right. Absolutely right. It is in which formula then now? A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square means we have to write this 2 times. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Now look here. Here, I have some of the questions and I have solved here one question only here. And you can tell me, in difficulties you can tell me, sir, this question is difficult, then I can help you. Here I have solved 7 number because it is of a bit different one. Okay, that's why, look here, this last 3 terms which are kept in bracket, they are in formula. Which formula?
A plus B whole square A.
Yes, you are right. A plus B whole square. And m power 4 means we can add m square whole square, right? Now it is in which formula? Do you know? We have learned that formula also, a square minus b square formula, right?
Yes, sir.
It is its formula. What is that? A plus b, a minus b, no?
A plus B into A minus.
Yeah, that formula is used there. Okay, children. A means m square and b means m plus 2. A square means m square. Why it is kept in bracket? Do you know here? Because there is minus sign.
Minus.
Yes, minus will multiply inside. That's why you have to keep in bracket. When you open the bracket, this minus sign multiply inside. Minus plus minus, it will be minus 2. Okay, Prajwal?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now look here. I am going to show you here your difficulties. Which one you feel difficulties from above one? Please tell me. Do you have any difficulty? I think no difficulty. Then I can proceed to the next one. And next day also you can ask, okay, me, wherever you feel difficult. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Wherever you feel difficult, ask me. Look here, I am showing here next one. Here also look. First, there is x square common from first 3 terms. Okay, take x square common. The remaining will be in also in formula. Okay, remaining are in formula 2x minus 1 whole square. Now we can put this one in formula, that is a square minus b square. This we can put in a square and minus b square formula. That means a plus b, a minus b. Now remove the bracket, then you will get this answer, 2x square minus x plus 5. 2x square minus x minus 5. Okay, children?
Do we need to do it?
Okay, now look, now we are going to finish. Okay, children? Here, look here. This question number 3, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. What is a square here? M square.
M square.
What is b square? 5 square. Middle. Middle, what will you
square.
feel? What will you feel middle? 2ab.
2 into M into 5.
Into m into 5. Good. What will be their product? That's why it will be in whole square, complete square. What did we feel there? 10m. 10m. 10m n. N also there is, I think, is there n?
No, sir.
There is no n.
Also
This,
there is no M.
there is no n. Okay, this should not be there. This n should not be there. There should be only 10. There should be only 10 m. Similarly, feel other also. Okay, children?
Sir, can you explain again?
Okay, look, next question also I am explaining. First of all, we have to make a A square, then B square, okay. What will be at 2P whole square first? Okay, minus what is last one here? 5Q whole square, right? Middle we have to fill 2AB. 2A, what is A? A means 2P
2p,
into 5Q.
5q,
5Q. What will be its product?